This makeup that you see here is so easy that I'm going to be using both my hands on both eyes together. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a stunning eyeshadow makeup look that gives your eye an elongated effect. It's super easy to do and looks very professional. So if you're ready, let's begin. First step is to prime the lid so your eyeshadows don't move, and for that I'm going to be using the Urban Decay primer potion and I'm going to dab it all over my lid. I'm going to wait for it to completely dry to start my eye makeup. I'm using some sticky tape in the outer corners for that sharp edge. This one's from Real Techniques, but it comes as a set with brushes. So if you don't want to buy the entire set, I'm going to link some of my favorites in the description box below this video. And it gets better. I'm going to be using a $3 eyeshadow palette by e.l.f. This is the bite-size eyeshadow palette in truffles. With my index fingers, I'm going to pick up the black eyeshadow, and with my middle fingers, I'm going to pick up the deep brown. As I said, I'm going to apply it simultaneously on both eyes with both my hands. And I'm going to first start with the black eyeshadow. I'm going to swipe it in the very outer corner. And right above it, I'm going to swipe the deeper shade of brown with my middle finger. These eyeshadows are extremely pigmented. With my finger, I'm going to quickly smudge out the edges before I blend it. And then using this e.l.f. concealer brush, I'm going to dab and blend everything out, starting with the lighter shade, which is brown eyeshadow. So I'm going to dab and blend, and then I will move on to the black eyeshadow to get that beautiful ombre of shades. So it's going to be lighter towards the inner corner and deep as you move towards the outer corner. At this point, you're 90% done with the eye makeup. Now with Inglot gel eyeliner and a nail art brush, I'm going to pull out a small wing and line my lash line. It's time to remove that tape in the outer corner to reveal the makeup on the lid, which was obviously super easy. I'm going to clean up underneath with some concealer and be right back. And in my waterline, I'm going to be using a black kohl liner. This is the Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Liner. And then using the deeper shade of brown eyeshadow, I'm going to smoke it out in my lower lash line using a smudge brush. Keep on adding more eyeshadow till you're happy with the intensity and it looks really soft and nice and smoked out. And it should look something like this. To finish up, I'm going to first curl my lashes before I apply the Milani Highly Rated Mascara. And for lashes, I'm going to be using Tati Lashes in Feelin' Flirty. In the outer corner, I like to push my lashes upward just to get that lifted outer edge. And I'm going to finish up with a coat of mascara to my lower lashes. Here is the completed eye look that was super simple and looks absolutely stunning. And as we all know, just like magic, makeup is also illusion, and this helps to elongate your eye. I'm going to finish up with my favorite lipstick. This is Stand Out by Ofra Cosmetics, which is my collaboration with them. And this goes with any skin tone. And as you can see, it looks absolutely fantastic. And here is the finished look. Would you try it? If you do, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed in the description box below, along with all the products that I used. You can also click on the View Products link embedded within this video on the left bottom corner. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.